everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today we will be learning how you can redeem codes in the Epic 7 application. If you are using iOS device, then you'll need to go ahead and open up a web browser first to redeem the code. Go ahead and open up your Safari browser and in the search box at the bottom type in redeem Epic 7 code. You will then be able to see this search results where you need to tap on Redeem Coupon Epic 7 Stove at the top. You will then see this Redeem Without Login In and Login to Stove option. You can tap on Login to Stove and log in using your Stove ID and follow through the login steps. To redeem your code without login in, tap on Redeem Without Login In and then select your server. Enter your membership number, which will be inside your account info tab. Enter your nickname for your Epic 7 game and enter the coupon code inside the Enter Coupon Code text box, and finally tap on the Submit button after entering your credentials. After the redemption is successful, the rewards will be sent to your in-game mailbox. And that is how you can easily redeem codes in Epic 7. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.